The Resample Modifier is used to modify the dimensional size of the terrain height map and is used for either increasing or decreasing the size. This modifier supports multiple filter algorithms for different degrees of resampling quality. The Presets control contains typical resample percentage and dimensional values as specified on the Settings Dimensions tab. The width and length controls specify the new size of the terrain height map. The Lock Width and Length control locks the length value to the width value. The Maintain Aspect Ratio control locks the length value to the aspect correct ratio of the width value. The Quality control specifies the resample algorithm used and the quality of the resample result. The OK button applies the modifier to the main terrain height map. The Cancel button cancels the dialog. The UDK button is visible if the UDK option is enabled in the Settings Dimensions tab. The Copy button copies the current dialog values to the clipboard. The Paste button pastes the current dialog values from the clipboard. If the clipboard does not contain valid values, clicking this does nothing. The Reset button resets the dialog values to the values from the last time that it was opened in the current session. The Default button resets the dialog values to the application defaults.